Hi, hi everyone. I'm Matilda and I'm a data scientist. So currently I'm not working full time, but I do take part-time gigs here and there, mainly because I'm trying to get into the bioinformatics scene. So I am taking the Stanford Data Ocean Precision Medicine program. That's what I'm doing right now. So I do work part-time but not full-time. But I am a certified data scientist. So I do have some advice and tips to give. So yeah, the main reason I'm creating these videos is because people started reaching out to me on LinkedIn and on Facebook asking how I got into this whole data science thing, especially in Ghana. So yeah, I'm here to give you guys the courses and the programs I took and learning materials to get you where I am right now. So I'll be sharing my journey and stuff throughout my videos. But today I'll just be giving you the courses I did. So I started with SQL. Yeah. With SQL, I do not remember where I took SQL. So I'm going to be putting the course name somewhere or in the description, but you see it. And then I started with SQL, then I took Python Essentials. I took Python Essentials 1, then I took Python Essentials 2 with Cisco. And then I went on to take Python in Data Science with IBM. Yeah, and everything, all these courses are free and self-paced, so you're going to be fine. And then later on, I took ALX Data Science program, the ALX Data Science program. Yeah, with them, they start from the beginning. So Excel to recommendation systems. If anyone knows what I'm talking about, they just go from the basics. What is data? What is database management? Analytics, visualization, everything. Okay, machine learning, predictive analysis, everything. So they take you through everything. But after the analytics part of the data science program, everything else moves very fast. Yeah. So I'd advise you take the self-paced courses before you go into ALX Ghana Data Science program, because it could easily go without you. Okay, you could just be reading content and submitting assignments without really knowing what you're doing. So you'd want to take those self-paced courses before you go on to take the ALX Data Science program, so that you can go along with the program and get to practice what you've actually already learned. We've already learned about. So it's like, okay, I've seen this before. Then you just go along with it. Otherwise, it's going to slow you down, because starting Python from scratch already in the program, people still don't get it. And we are done. We graduated. Okay, we are graduating in like a few weeks. We are done with the program. People still don't get it. So I'd advise, take this advice. You take the Python Essentials before you go into data science with ALX. They are good. The content is great, right? But you need that prerequisite, okay, before you get into the program itself. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And yeah, I hope to create a community of data scientists and data analysts who would help each other, build each other on, share valuable insights. The technology world is changing so fast every day. Keep each other in the loop. I will be linking my LinkedIn account somewhere. I don't know if I already said that, but I will be putting my LinkedIn here somewhere so that we can connect and we'll be chatting. And yeah, and get to know each other. I'll be dropping videos now and then on like tips to make the whole learning process easier, easy for you. Like tricks with Python. To be honest, most of the things are repetitive. Just redoing. But if you don't know where to apply it, you're wasting your time. Okay, so I'll be teaching you like those basics. I'll be saying those secrets, so that you just go through quick. Yeah, and you wouldn't have to waste as much time as I did, because I've been studying for like about a year, 8 months. Okay, you can do this in like half a year. Okay, the A-Lex book is like a year and 3 months, but you get what I mean. Okay, you could be a pro in like half a year. So I'll be taking you through, and yeah, so come along with me in my career journey. Let's help each other out. Bye.